Meaning of homemaker.
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 Homemaker. The term homemaker refers to a person, typically a woman, who manages a household and performs domestic tasks such as cooking, cleaning, and taking care of children. Homemakers are often responsible for creating a comfortable and organized living environment for their family members. They may also handle financial responsibilities such as budgeting and paying bills. While the role of homemaker has traditionally been associated with women, men can also take on this role in households. Ultimately, the goal of the homemaker is to ensure that the needs of the household are met and that everyone within the home is well cared for.